Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So this process also will remove a screen lock and unlock the device. You can see that there is a lock right here. And I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know the pattern to it. So number one, we're gonna start off by powering off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device shuts off, you then want to hold the power key and volume up till you see the Huawei logo, at which point you will let go of the power key and keep holding volume up. So let's start right now. Power key, volume up. When Huawei logo appears, let go of power, keep holding volume up. There we go. So from here, what you want to do is tap on clear data and then select wipe or factory reset, the first option. And here you just have to type in a yes, like so, there we go. And then tap on factory reset. The process will begin. And at this point, it's a fairly quick process here. It's gonna get to like 20% or 15% and just immediately finish. Or, no, there we go. And then it goes back to the main page almost. Let's tap on back and then restart. And now the process will continue in the background. And once it's finished, we should be greeted by the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.